Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Nimpacueto, 38 years old, separated. I have 3 children. I am Catholic. I am high school graduate. I have one brother and one sister. I work as domestic helper and in Lebanon and Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the children, cooking, cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes. And also I know how to cook Filipino food like adobo, sinigang, menudo, apritada. And also some Arabic food like blokiye, samosa, laham, and biryani. And I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. Mom and Sir, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise that I will do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and see you soon.